again. So Goodness TV J4 will still remain the same, but never forget and nevertheless subscribe. I still get one of my real nigga for the building today. Where for now?
I'm okay.
Tell your fans and your people who you are.
Yes, I know. I go by the name International Man MC. Somebody always subscribe to Goodness TV. Okay?
Yes.
Get the vibes.
Yeah, but it also.
Yeah.
I just get small checkable question what we just answer today as an MC and bad comedian for the house and entire whole international world. Today when I go just see the checkable girl, my guy don't just small checkable question I want to ask you. As you did so, just a waka or just a waka. You just see person wey dey sell cough medicine. He can't advise the cough medicine. As in advance time he call the cough, serious cough. Oh. He can't still drink small water, the cough still continue. He can't introduce medicine give you. How far you go by?
If they try the advertise mortuary to you.
Mortuary.
If they try the advertise mortuary and your grave. If you feel bad,
No character. Apart from that one, as you just dey like this, you grow reach like this. Wait be that kind of bad, funny thing wey happen to you, wey shock you, wey people. As if you tell people, they go feel am.
Alright, now only for Benin, you still no get work advice to the work. Say your salary too small. The one you invest me last week, I already come from our area here. I can't see one girl. The girl get 32 stretch mark for each part of breast. Wetin plain she won't go draw tattoo put. The tattoo, you know, feel the same. If you dey near the thing, be like crocodile, but if you go far, be like lion.
Jesus Christ. But no, you just see that, you know, wear clothes.
Yeah, no, say some girls they will shape Bobby.
As a shop or what's that one?
Do you understand now?
I know that. What is this for? I want to just ask you some check the question. Your primary school, secondary, which one you enjoy and other president school, which one you enjoy and why are you there enjoying?
My brother, nothing sweet with primary school.
Primary school.
I wish I would go back there.
Okay, wetin be to make am sweet you like say tomorrow?
Na two tea barrow, my brother. Every day with tea barrow and the life is not about the traffic go no good.
Because you don't know.
No small.
You know small.
I not about it, no pass you small.
You know pass me. Nothing is spoil. But no, you get particular thing. No, the thing know you for school. Wetin be that way the thing know you?
I beg now, they beg well. Let me cut for me.
Then you take grow.
I will take grow.
Let me say I beg o. I'm not saying I take grow. But now you take grow.
By their face we shall know them. Not say na by their face we take know those who dey beg for school. Na their face. No say who mess. Now do to your mess now don't can shit you one shit. In case you don't know, please subscribe to Goodness TV. Okay? I go by the name MC, somebody with my whole code nigga.
I still remember no mess.